Alright, this is proof of DutchDrummer hitting me offline. We played both maps, and he decided to flood me. See that? This is my modem. It's not, there's no light on whatsoever. And here's my router itself. The power's on it, but just wow. Wow. I thought Game Battles was gonna stop host booters, but wow, second in the world in singles, he's mad. All I can say. He's probably gonna. I won both maps. He's probably gonna, do that fake win shit and put an underscore next to my name so when he gets the proof, it looks like he won. But this is him saying, after I beat him, this is him saying, ha 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 ha, you mad, and ha ha, sure, go cry. But I'm doing this from my phone, so 4G is the only way to upload the proof, so I can't give you guys any other proof than that. He'll probably hold me offline.